Hello everyone, well it is Inktober, day number 2. I've already messed up my desk and my book is looking like this. So that's things to come really. This is what we did yesterday and finally I got the video. Oh god, I had trouble with my video. So many troubles with memory and warning signs but let's ignore that, shall we? Fresh new page. Let's try and not get it all crinkly this time, but I probably will. Right, the Cup of Doom. I will look away so I don't, see anything. Let's turn them all around. Oh dear. Is that one? That's huge. Oh, okay. It's a liney. This will be from my boyfriend. Right. No, is that Eleanor? That'll be Eleanor. That will be my daughter. Right, okay. I thought only he got the lined paper. Apparently my daughter had 2. I'm pretty sure. We've all got terrible handwriting in this house. Oh, here comes Ruby. Come here, Ruby. Show your gorgeousness. Come for a cuddle. Come to the hand, Ruby. Ruby. Come see the hand, Ruby. Come. No, she's off. She's off. You won't leave me alone normally, but as soon as I turn the camera thingy on, you're off. You shake my desk and you're off. Fair enough, she's on the windowsill. Okay, so, all procrastination with cats aside, existential dread. Just so you know, there's Ruby. Hi. Yeah, no. Okay, existential dread with a heart, a flower and a smiley face. So, okay, well we have to incorporate those 2 things. We have to have, let's have a smiley face but with tortured eyes. How might one do that? I'm thinking of some sort of, I don't know, we could have a mask. That's awfully topical. I've seen these masks where you have like a little face or like a little one was a little puppy mouth with the tongue hanging out, and it was so cute. But one wonders if that's the right, wow, I sounded so posh then, didn't I? One wonders if that's the right thing to do in such a serious, terrifying time. Because I personally am taking this very seriously, as are my kids and everybody else, because this is damn serious, people. That looks more, that doesn't look exactly terrified, does it? That looks more dopey. And it looks like a duck. This is where I start panicking, thinking, I can't draw. What on earth am I doing? Why am I attempting to record this and put it on YouTube, you weirdo? That was hair. Do they look scared? I want them wider. Maybe wider eyes. Do they look more scared, those eyes? Just wide eyes, but that's not exactly working the way I wanted. I can work on scared eyes because they just look, yeah, they look sleepy. But we've got some flowers. And we've got a heart. So what on earth am I going to do with this? I think I may have to sit quietly and have a think about this. But I like the mask idea just because we can relate. And if you can't relate, you darn well should. Put your blinking mask on, for God's sake. What is with all these people not wanting to wear masks? You know, that is like... Right, if you're driving along, nobody wants to get stopped at a red light. I'm sorry, you just don't. You're not like, yay, light, I'm going to be ever so slightly later and possibly completely late because I'll just get caught by all of them now. You know, those days you're just going to get caught by every single red light going. Nobody wants to. You don't want to stop at a red light. But you're not going to go, my freedom, and drive through the red light. You're going to bash into somebody. It would be stupid. So you do it. Because everyone's supposed to do it, and it's a system that's supposed to keep us all safe. Annoyed, but safe. So put your sodding mask on. What's the difference? Anyway, rant over. I'm going to faff about with this and attempt to make frightened eyes. I may even Google. So this is what I came up with. I had a few goes at a few different eyes. And yeah, scared is wide open with kind of eyebrows, if that makes sense. Just your eyebrows kind of going like that. So that's what I did. I'm quite happy with this one actually. You'll notice at the end I add the smile. You notice I haven't done that because, well, I explained at the end. So I'm explaining again. Basically, I'd started editing this and then I realised, no, I do have to put that smile on the mask. It just took away from the eyes. But actually, thinking about it again now, after refilming the end and adding the smile, actually, yeah, it does look, yeah, looking at it now, it looks really weird. She's got this smiley face on her mask and her eyes look like that. But anyway... Hello, Editing Sam here. Right, so I decided to use... I've pulled out the big guns. I've pulled out my copics. Is it copics or copics? I think it's copics. I've heard it say both ways, but if you can hear the rain in the background, by the way, sorry about that. Yeah, it's raining and I have a flat roof because I am now in my office. You'll see my desk suddenly change sort of halfway through this because I had to move. But anyway... Yes, I'm happy with this. I thought I'd use grey and one colour and I'm really liking that idea, and I may do the majority of these grey and one colour. I've got a couple of things I want to try out, a couple of different inks. We'll see. So this is for me. I'm going to do it however I need to because this is a lot. One of these a day is a lot. I've had a client DNA. So I'm getting this done earlier than I would have otherwise. But yeah, I'm still working a lot and stuff. So it's a big ask to do. Oh, look at a little bottom. While working. But I'll get it done. But I think this is yeah, I like the idea of just using sort of greys and blacks and then one colour. So essentially what has happened of our story, I'll put the story up here, ping, if I remember, so you can stop and read if you want. There you go, change your desk. But essentially yesterday the lightning tree was awoken somehow, and he's very grumpy, he's not happy about it, but this is what awoken him. This girl stood on, she's just getting on with her day, just slowly evaporating into it, and she stood on this flower, and it's just... Talk about the straw that broke the camel's back. This is the little pink flower that made this girl just sit down and give this 1,000-yard stare. I went for the 1,000-yard stare. I was going fear, but existential dread is more than just fear. It really is sort of looking into the nothingness of everything. Yeah. Anywho, back to this. So that is what's happening. That's her existential dread. She has broken this little flower, just this little innocent flower, not doing anything, and she's broken it, and the petals have fallen, and so has she. But I'm very happy with the hair. I was so worried about doing hair because I'm no good with hair, so I just I got my brush, my micron brush, and just kind of flopped it on. And yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Again, I'm so worried about using the darker colours. So, because they look so dark to me when you put them down. It's amazing. They dry much lighter, and I know that. So why can't I just go darker sooner? But yeah, essentially I'm going lighter colours and then adding the slightly darker colours. These are all the ends, the neutral greys. Thought about using the warm greys, but no, I like these neutral ones better. And then I'm even the shoes I won't go pure black. And I try to do a little shine on there. I could go over it with one of those gel pens actually. I could possibly, but I didn't. The jelly roll thing. But that's supposed to be a shine on her shoes. And just shading really. I left her t-shirt white and just a bit of shading here. This is a N0, I think it is I'm using, and that's like the lightest one that I have, except for just the blender. But yeah, I'm definitely enjoying this. I like this, and it didn't crumple my paper, so we have that. Very simple. It took me about 40 minutes. With moving desk as well, so I think that's okay. That is doable. So I may do grey and black, but with one pop of colour. And I've done the flowers in this. This is violet 6 and 0 or something. And I did a little heart on her t-shirt, the same colour, because it's like this is her heart. Oh, and it's breaking. And then this is I think it's the V000. If I'm looking at that, I'm going very fast. I'm very fast at this. Just to do a little circle around her, just to add a little something. And I decided to go not around the flower, just so I didn't think it through, to be honest, that the pink would be under the pink. But I think that looks okay, like it's kind of cut away. But yeah, I am happy with this. Just rubbing off the pencil, and well, there you go. Just finishing. It bled a bit, so I'm just finishing her bottom up there. And here we go. This is what I came up with from Existential Dread. I'd finished and I started editing, and then it was like I decided not to do a smiley face on it because it removed from the eyes, and I couldn't figure out how to do it so that it still looked, But then I was editing it, and I thought, no, I do want that element on there. It was on this, so we have a smiley face. It's kind of skewed because the mask would pull it sort of out of shape, and I think it works okay. It looks kind of faded, like it's been washed a load of times, is what I was going for. I don't know if I can sort of add a bit. This is when I think, no, just stop. Just stop a little, Sam. Just stop doing what you're doing. Stop what you're doing, Sam. No, just no. Where would her mouth would be here, wouldn't it? I don't know. Yeah, no. Leave it alone. Anyway, so yeah, I've done a smiley face on it. So there you go. I got a flower, a smiley face, and a heart on Existential Dread. Can't wait for next time. Be back tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment. It would be absolutely awesome of you, and apparently it matters to some sort of algorithm somewhere. So that would be great. But I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye.